Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching my video. Actually, salute for all now. Yo, please, if you are watching my video for the first time, please, I'm pleading with you to just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification, so when I upload any new video for the first time, you will be notified. Yeah, concerning this banning of Nigeria music in Cameroon, that's the topic I want to emphasize on it today. It's a new topic, banning of Nigerian music precisely in Cameroon. This matter is really trending. It's really making so many Cameroonians making so many Cameroonians are saying their own. Everyone is coming with his or our own thoughts concerning it. Yeah, the topic for today is you cannot ban Nigerian music in Cameroon. You cannot ban Nigerian music in Cameroon. Nigerian music has taken all over Africa. Nigerian music is so sweet. Nigerian music is sweet. Yeah, let me just put it this way. It's so sweet. Yes, Nigeria has so many talented artists. It's not today that Nigeria started in the entertainment industry. Nigeria has fought for a very, very long time to reach that certain level. So I don't see any reason that some of the artists in Cameroon will sit up and say they should ban Nigerian music in Cameroon. Meanwhile, they are artists. They are also artists that one day they will call them for show in other countries, that they should ban Nigerian music in Cameroon. Sorry. How come that all nightclubs in Cameroon, all bars in Cameroon, they are playing but Nigerian music this way, Nigerian music this way? So they are instead promoting Nigerian music more than their own music. Yes, that's what the population wants to listen. That's what the population needs at that moment. The population feel the environment when they are playing Nigerian music. If you want that the population should be listening to your own music, people should sing what the population wants. You should sing give what the population wants to consume, because you cannot give me what I don't want to consume. I will consume what will make me happy. I will consume what will give me peace of mind. I will consume what will make me feel like I am alive. Yeah. Stanley Eno make this statement that they should play Nigerian music 5%, or you said like 5% like that, and then Cameroon music 95%. I don't see any reason for that. Yeah, I don't see any reason for that. So music is something that does not have barrier. Music is something that, if you love someone music, you will always want to listen to that person music. No matter what, you always want to listen to what that person is singing. Each and everyone has their own favorite artists that they want to listen to their music, and they are following them on their pages. When they want to release any song, they will be the first person to notice it. Okay, like if They are good artists in Cameroon. They are very nice, good artists in Cameroon. Yeah, good artists in Cameroon. But why are they not going anywhere? Why are they not going anywhere? Their music are not going anywhere. Their music are always talking in Cameroon. Why? Because our entertainment industry is not really good that way. Nigeria has a very strong and capable and strong foundation of entertainment industry. Their music industry is worldwide. The entertainment industry as a whole is a solid one. They have built it for a very long time. They did not start today. Ever since So I don't see any reason when some artists will say they should ban the Nigerian music in Cameroon. It will not work. I myself am a Cameroonian. I will not support a thing like that. I listen to what gives me joy. Like in clubs, if you went to a club in Cameroon, you will listen to Nigerian music. Why? Because that is what the people want. That is what the population want to consume at that moment. When they are playing it, it brings out their morals in them. They want to feel the environment. They are feeling the environment. They are feeling it because it makes them happy at that present moment. You will not give me what will make me to be feeling like if I'm not living. No, you will give me if you give me something that make me like I'm not living. I will not want to consume it because it will make no sense to me. It will not give me any happiness. So I feel that Cameroonians their entertainment industry should sit down and form some strong platform, build up a platform, develop a new strategy, develop something solid, come up with new ideas instead of saying they should ban Nigerian music in Cameroon. Come out with new ideas, target their consumers, come up with something that to target their consumers. Banning of Nigerian music in Cameroon is not the solution. It's not the solution because you cannot force someone to listen to what he or she does not want to listen to. Listening to Nigerian music in Cameroon is something that can never and ever be banned. It will not work because the people, Nigerian music is so sweet. Let me say it again. I will say it and say it again. It's so sweet. Yeah. Instead of us, they say when some person pass you, carry a kinja. As I ever said in my earlier video, when some person pass you, carry a kinja. Learn to listen from that person. Take advice from that person. Although some observers say Nigerians, they don't want to collab, they don't play Cameroon music in their country. The only music that if you ask a Nigerian artist, Nigerians that which Cameroonian artist do you know, you will know him by Awilo Longoba. They know only Awilo Longoba as a Cameroonian artist. Awilo as a Cameroonian artist. The only advice was Cameroonians. We should come out with a different strategy. Come out with a different strategy to target our customer. Build a very strong platform. Develop new ideas. Come out with something that will attract the population, something that will exploit us. Do some collabos with some international artists. Naira Marley is coming to Cameroon to preach love. Why is Naira Marley say that you want to come to Cameroon to say love, collaborate with some artists? Because Nigerians, they do all those things for their artists. These artists, when an artist saw an upcoming artist, that artist will look for a way to bring that upcoming artist. Look like Davido. Davido have bring so many raw talents in Nigeria. I've done a lot of collabos in Nigeria. We don't even mind in whether that is an upcoming artist or not, because you want to bring out, because you saw something in you, you want to bring out that thing in you. Yeah, so banning of that Nigerian music in Cameroon is not the solution for us Cameroonians. It can never work. That's what I will say. Nigerian music is the best in Africa for now. Whether we like it or not, Nigerian music is the best in Africa for now. I don't know whether in the next 5 or 6, 7 years another country will be on that very same platform taking over Nigeria, but for now Nigerian music is the best in Africa. It's even taking all over some world countries. It's even going out. It's going out worldwide. Not today that Nigerian music is going worldwide. Nigerian music now is very far. Look at Burna Boy. Burna Boy have been nominated twice for Grammy Award. Burna Boy, the giant of Africa, is from Nigeria. Burna Boy. Just to name it, so many artists, Wizkid, Two-Face, Idibia, Timaya, all those artists are international artists, big artists that they know them worldwide. You can't go in any part of the world you call any of those artists in Nigeria without some person recognize that person, that artist. They are worldwide. So we should instead fight to come out from our shells, bring something that we send us out, develop new strategy, form new strategy, come up with ideas. Banning of Nigerian music is not the solution, my brothers and sisters. We will still continue listening to Nigerian music in Cameroon no matter what. Yeah, that is the only thing I want to talk. See, we should come up with new strategy. Don't say ban of. We are one Africans. No matter where you come from, we are one African. The only solution is that we should just come together and be a strong foundation, be a very good entertainment industry that we be able to sell our product outside. That a foundation that will not only based only in our account locally, but international, that will go worldwide. Yeah. But I will still repeat, Nigeria is the #1 in Africa when it comes to entertainment. And Nigerian music is the best in Africa for now. Yeah. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Please and please, if you are new to my channel, watching my video for the first time, please, I'm pleading with you. You should just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification. So when I upload any new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. Goodbye.